Click on the link below to get price. The WEN DF1100T is a powerful dual-fuel portable generator designed to provide reliable power during emergencies or outdoor activities. This generator can run on either gasoline or propane, offering flexibility and convenience. With a robust 457cc 4-stroke OHV engine, the WEN DF1100T delivers up to 11,000 surge watts and 8,300 running watts on gasoline, and 9,500 surge watts and 7,500 running watts on propane. What stands out the most? Dual fuel capability. Operate the generator on either gasoline or propane. High power output. Provides ample power for running essential appliances and tools. Electric start. Easy and convenient startup with the turn of a key. Multiple outlets includes 4 120V GFCI outlets, a 120V 30A twist lock outlet, a 120V/240V 50A outlet, and a 12V DC cigarette lighter style plug. Long run time, up to 8.5 hours of runtime at half load with a 6.6-gallon fuel tank. Portability, equipped with a wheel kit and handle for easy transportation. Affordable price. Offers great value for money compared to other generators in its class. EPA and CARB compliant. Meets emission standards for environmental safety. 2-year warranty. Comes with a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. Versatile use. Suitable for home backup, camping, and job sites. Easy to use. User-friendly design with clear instructions and controls. Durable construction. Built to withstand rugged conditions and heavy-duty use. Immediate propane connection. Includes a 47-inch LPG connection hose for quick setup. Emergency backup. Ideal for providing power during outages. Reliable performance. Known for its consistent and dependable power output. Technical specifications. Engine, 457cc 4-stroke OHV fuel type, gasoline or propane power output. 11,000 surge watts, gasoline, 9,500 surge watts, propane, 8,300 running watts, gasoline, 7,500 running watts, propane. Voltage, 120V, 240V, runtime up to 8.5 hours at half load, V30, a twist lock outlet, 120V/240V 50A outlet, 12V DC cigarette lighter style plug. Multiple outlets. Long-run time portable design, affordable price EPA, and CARB-compliant weight. Approximately 192 pounds, with wheel kit, dimensions 27.2 x 22.4 x 21.6 inches. Warranty, 2-year limited warranty. Pros and cons. Pros, dual fuel capability, high power output, 2-year warranty. Versatile use, easy to use, durable construction. Immediate propane connection, emergency backup, reliable performance. Cons. Heavy weight can be noisy, not as fuel efficient as some other generators. Where to buy? The WEN DF1100T is available for purchase on various online platforms, including Amazon, Home Depot, and the official WEN website. Prices may vary, so it's a good idea to compare options and look for deals or discounts. To summarize, the WEN DF1100T is a versatile and powerful portable generator that offers great value for money. Its dual fuel capability, high power output, and multiple outlets make it an excellent choice for home backup, camping, and job sites. While it may be heavy and noisy, its reliable performance and affordable price make it a worthy investment for those in need of a dependable power source. Click on the link below to get price.